Hello, young lords and learners. Welcome to this session. Good morning, everybody. Today, I am going to talk about a very important topic that concerns with building vocabulary in English. Many people ask me, many students ask me, sir, how can we improve, how can we grow our scanty vocabulary? Sometimes they say that there are some new words in English, especially in newspapers and magazines, which they fail to understand. Today, I am going to talk about portmanteau words in English. What is portmanteau words in English? Portmanteau words in English means those words which are coined from two words blending together. This is called portmanteau words in English. This is one of the methods of making words in English. It is known as blending. It is a way of making words in which two elements of words are blended to make new one, to make new words. There are many words in English which are made by blending together. I shall talk about 1 dozen. I shall talk about a dozen words which have been made by blending in English. In other words, these words are portmanteau words in English. The first one is brunch. Brunch is a very common word which people come across in the newspapers and journals. But dictionaries do not have this word, brunch. Really, brunch is made of two words, breakfast plus lunch equal to brunch. It means the food that people take in the morning, which is both breakfast and lunch. So it is called brunch. Use: I have taken brunch. He has taken brunch. She has taken brunch. The second most common word used in newspapers, magazines is smog. Smog is also blended by two words. Smog plus gas is equal to smog. It means environment that has smog as well as gas, full of gases. This is called smog. Example: Delhi faces much smog around the years. Second, all the metropolitan cities suffer from smog. Patna has a lot of smog around the year. Third word, Third is shopaholic. Shopaholic is made of two words. Shop plus alcoholic is equal to shopaholic. Means a person who goes shopping and drink alcohol. So he is, or such a person is called shopaholic. Example, he is shopaholic. She is shopaholic. You are shopaholic. The fourth is hunger. Hunger is made of two words. Hungry plus angry is equal to hunger. It means a person who is hungry and therefore angry. Usage: she or he is hungry. Second, are you hungry? She is hungry. Next, Bollywood. Bollywood is also blended by two words. Bombay plus Hollywood is equal to Bollywood. It refers to heroines who work in Indian films, Hindi films, living in Bombay is called Bollywood. Example, Amitabh Bachchan is a great Bollywood hero. Aishwarya Rai is a Hollywood actress. Hema Malini is a great Bollywood actress. The next word is electrocute. It is made of two independent words, electricity and execute. It means one who is killed by electricity is called electrocuted or electrocuting. Usage: he was electrocuted. She was electrocuted. Has he been electrocuted? Next, frenemy. Frenemy is a very common word. It is also made of two words, two independent words. Friend plus enemy is equal to frenemy. Means a person who is both a friend and enemy. Usage: he is a dangerous friend enemy. He is a friend enemy. Are you my friend enemy? Is he your friend enemy? Next, liger. Liger is also made of two words, two independent words. They are lion and tiger. Lion plus tiger is equal to a liger. Example, this jungle has a lot of ligers. Ligers impose danger on the railway line that passes through Guwahati to Silchar in Assam. Many traffic face linger on the road that flunks from Guwahati to Silchar. this jungle witnesses a lot of lingers. The next is a stay vacation. It is made of two independent words, a stay plus vacation. It means the holiday when a person stays or lives at some place and he or she enjoys vacation. So it is called a stay vacation. Example, are you enjoying a stay vacation in USA? She is enjoying a stay vacation in Australia. Are you going to have a stay vacation in UK? Again, we have Bollywood. Bollywood is also made of two words, Bhojpur or Bhojpuri plus Hollywood is equal to Bollywood. Example, he is a Bollywood hero. She is a Bollywood actress. I think students must have grasped, understood what portmanteau words in English are. In other words, how words are made by blending in English. Thanks a lot.